Hi, my name is Mercedes Bellinger, and basically, what inspired me and what motivated me to help out with hunger related volunteer work is I worked at a daycare center, and my daycare center is a Christian daycare center where my pastor, who was also my director, would go out and basically start like little events where the child could basically have food, and we supply bags and supply book bags and giveaways and things like that for the children, and well, basically for the families to come out and get basically a lot of free things, and like a lot of games and stuff where people could win and pay for $1 and win like a teddy bear and things like that. uh it began um actually before I got there. I'll say it began around, I want to say 2008, but I'm not really sure. But I started out helping in 2010, and it's been awesome. I started Valley Forge Christian College 2012, and like during the summertime I'll go out and still volunteer and help out back down at the daycare center. And well, it's not just in the daycare center. It's basically, be outside events. Sometimes it be in a church, but it's really good, and the children really love it. So it's kind of good for me because when I see them happy and like they're loving it, it makes me feel awesome about myself. Uh, what did I get out of my volunteer work? I learned that it's not really about me. Before I start helping, I really used to think that everything was about me. I really thought that, uh, basically you could say I was selfish. Like I really didn't want to help people as much as I had desire to do it now. I just would basically brush it off or not really want to get involved with certain stuff. But something just made me go out, and after that, I been involved with it for basically 2 years now. So, uh, who benefit from this? The families. I would definitely say the families and the children, because every time we go out, they say, when you're coming back, or, we love when you guys come out, or, we love the events, we love your presence. So that's something that I know the children love. So, would we be continuing this project? I believe so. Yes, we will. It's definitely not over. I know my pastor, she really has a passion for it, so I know as long as she's doing it, I will be following behind her and doing it. Um, the effort, we put a lot of effort into it. I usually just come out by myself with my mother. My mother usually come also, and we'll go out and basically just help out whatever it need help in. If it's cleaning, if it's help handing out food, if it's talking with the children, playing with the children, running after the children. That's just what we do. That's what we're here for. So um, I would love to tell other people about it and tell other people about my experience about helping. It's an awesome feeling just to know that you're helping someone eat. Like it's children where I come from. It's kind of hard. Like it's a lot of children who doesn't have parents. Doesn't have their grandmother, grandfather taking care of them, and it's hard. So when you see that and you know how they struggle and how they suffer, it makes you want to help. So, um, my name is Mercedes Bellinger, and thank you. Bye.